Let's take an example of a cybersecurity use case where as a security administrator, I want to make sure that or even as a cybersecurity provider, I want to provide a service where I am informing my customers of any unusual behavior and related to a particular user. And I'm specifically talking about the user entity and behavior analytics, which is a very common use case in cybersecurity of UEBA, where all the users' activities are streamed and tracked and flagged as they are taking certain actions, right? A user logging in, a user calling certain APIs. All these events are generated in real time and they are streamed. And what we can do is that is where we can use this event-driven architecture and simply just take a simple example. Let's just only try to scan all the login events, right? We're not even talking about all the API calls. Let's just track the login events. All the login events can be sent to our LLM pipeline or our cognitive data pipeline, where we will be looking at for any suspicious behavior. And this suspicious behavior, say for example, John has logged into the system from a location or a country which he has never logged in from before. And this is where the intelligence really comes into picture, where we are adding an intelligence in our cognitive pipeline or our normal pipeline and making it so intelligent that every time I see a login, I just need to run it past all the historical logins which I see John logged in from. Now, this can be a RAG, this can be our simple database, a key value database. It can be anything, but a RAG is a good solution. We can implement it and try to find out all the logins associated with John and where did he log in from. And if as I said, he happens to be logging from a suspicious location, it should start taking actions. And this is where we are talking about agents taking different actions. It should immediately first boot the user from the platform so that it's not taking any other action. Disable the login so that until we determine that if it is a genuine login, the login should not be allowed to log into the platform.